Did you hear her? Eh? She just said that social media, it's either X, YouTube, TikTok, or whatever. It's nothing without South Africa. Do you agree with that?
Whether you agree or you don't agree, but it's the truth. It is nothing without South Africans. That is why most content creators, they are now,
Yeah,
all
sure,
of them are
Yoto.
talking about South Africa.
Yeah, sure.
They are no longer doing content with their own countries.
Khumuka isiqoko khumuka umakarapa amathaconsele njebeni ilephu siyaqandula. Today's episode of Istanto Podcast Show is brought to you by Kiwano Belly Blast. The tea leqeda imkhabe eqeda ilahle le jikijela le kude faka olwandle. Hey, inkulumo yethu namhlanje ithi it seems as if there's a ban which is coming for South Africans. And a ban of South Africans switching from English to their vernacular. It seems as if we are having a big problem. Ngathi le ban impela ke is coming lapha ku Twitter. Makwala?
Yep.
Zithini?
Ithi le bheni ayidili nje kakhulu namaZulu ngoba phela amaZulu who usually likes to switch to their language. Phela ulimi lethu lolu.
Bahluphile labo bantu.
Ngiyasola ukuthi yibo abacasule kakhulu ngoba kodwa futhi vele lento ihamba nokuthanda indaba nje vele kahle kahle. Ngoba yini eyinkinga uma mina ngenza ivideo yami switch to English and then switch back to my vernacular because I'm speaking. Obviously, if I'm going to switch back to my language, I'm probably speaking to them most of the times. So, what is the problem exactly? Because you need to know if I switch from English to my language, there's a big chance ukuthi what I'm saying in Zulu, I only want my people to hear, not everyone. So yes, exactly. Suke sesihleba. If sengishaya umageba
nje. This is home stuff.
Ngisuke sengihleba manje sengifuna ukuthi lento izwe abantu bakithi kuphela.
Hayi mhlaba
so manje inkinga ikuphi? Ikuphi inkinga? Nawe khuluma kwakho nawe.
Thanda indaba nina.
And you never hear us like Zulus or Xhosa or whoever complaining about Africans. Ukuthi I speak English, we can't hear you. Speak English. Because we hear some of those words Africans. Why? Because we were forced vele ukuthi sifunde Africans. So nani-ke try and teach yourself other languages so that you will hear us. Tina, we were forced to learn English. We were forced to learn Africans in other schools. Till today.
No.
Ezinye iy'kole they are still forced to learn Africans.
Yeah. You can say that. But kodwa I think these things mostly comes from international stage, like X, because you know how vocal are South Africans when it comes to international matters. So they are always there, and then some of them are bullies. Yeah, we can say that. Some of them are bullies. If you talk bad about South Africa, then they come for you. So I think it's mostly on those terms la bebeqhamuka khona-ke ukuthi no asaniswa manje. Uthola ukuthi most people who are engaging in that conversation are laughing, they are having fun. So now those people on the other side don't understand what is exactly going on. But ngoba lento masingayisho, most of our fellow South Africans, other languages, Xhosa, Tswana, Sesotho, or what, even Afrikaans speaking people don't have that much of a problem if you speak Zulu on an international language, on an international stage, social media kanje. Because most of them understand those words. The
Yeah, now they
problems,
do. Yeah.
yeah, the problems comes from those who are outside the country. La engixaka khona kakhulu is when those people which we regard as brothers and sisters, fellow Africans,
But
which
ke nala
Mhm.
kuba nakho lokho mina ngizoxoxela isitori esincane nje.
Yeah.
I once visited my friend from her office to her office, I mean. We were sharing our offices. Uthole ukuthi in an office there's two of you. So she was working with umuntu ogama ngezandla.
Yeah.
So I would visit her. Obviously, I'm visiting my friend who speaks Zulu, and I also speak Zulu.
Yeah.
And her office mate does not speak Zulu.
Are we?
So I came to the office to visit my friend. We are not friends with the other office mates. So when I come to visit my friend, we are going to speak our language.
Yes.
There's no need for us to speak English because ngizeko my friend. We're going to speak Zulu and laugh and joke and do whatever we are doing. We are sitting in our corner over there. And then her office mates would be angry and say, "You must speak English. I can't hear you.
Hey.
Maybe you are talking about me. What do you
How?
mean? What do you mean? Because I'm here to see my friend. We are speaking our language. It has nothing to do with you." So there are those cases here in South
Yeah.
Africa. Abasacabanga ukuthi we need to speak English so that they can be accommodated to conversations that don't involve them. How do you demand to be involved in a conversation that does not include you? So yeah, I hear ukuthi even abroad, because it does involve them in a way. It's a conversation that involves everyone, so they need to be involved by speaking English. But we are proud of our language.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yay. No. Ubuza kahle kabi sesengicanga ukubuyela kule ukade uyichaza. The one which is talking about colonization. Where you were mentioning indaba yokuthi most of the world countries were colonized. Yeah, not just Africa, but most of the world countries were colonized. Others ended up speaking languages which are not their native language. So, like for instance, when we talk about African, we can see that there is that Berlin conference there go 18 ban yokhulunywa ngayo ukuthi a scramble for Africa. So la where African countries were divided, which are there are those French speaking, Portuguese speaking, English speaking, yabo. So now our fellow African brothers from other countries like those from DRC which are speaking French, there is this guy engimthanda kakhulu engimkhonze kakhulu uMwekasa uthi e-DRC there are Africans which speak French best. Angazi ngayibeka kanjani, I don't know how to put it, which they speak
Better than the people who actually own
yes
the language.
which
I
speak
mean-
French better than the French. You see, abazobukela phansi if wena is French ungasikhulumi kahle. You see,
It's the same with
they will
us.
look down on you if you are not speaking
It's the
that
same.
good French.
Yafana
Yes.
nathi. There are people who speaks English more than the colonizers.
Exactly.
And when they will
That's
look
true.
down on you if your English is not straight,
That's
like
true.
jabo nje usifanele nathi sikhulumela isingisi esitshekile.
Ah.
They will look down on you and they'll be
Ah.
like, "Ooh, bafuna urole now." Oh my
Yebo.
god. Man, what's oh my god? It doesn't sound good.
Oh my
Bon.
God.
You need to say, oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah, you see, those are some of the problems which we are facing. Like me, you see, I know very well what my English is not good.
Mm.
And I can proudly say, I'm not a favor. I'm not a fan
Of English.
of English. I'm not a fan of Afrikaans. So even my content, this content we are making, our content, it's mostly isiZulu. I can speak Xhosa, I grew up speaking Xhosa. I grew up speaking Sotho. I can speak fluent Xhosa. I'm fluent in Sotho. Even my mother is ke Mosotho, mme wa ka. Ke holetse tulong tse ngata tse arohaneng. Hole nje endaweni eziningi ehlukene. So ngiyakwazi ukukhuluma ama-language amanye ahlukene. So lento lena ingiphatha kabuhlungu ke. It bothers me if you hear a fellow South African, maybe Sotho speaking, complaining about someone who's speaking Zulu, say, why are you not speaking English? Now, what I'm asking is that English in Zulu is the most spoken language in South Africa.
Mm.
So how come you don't understand isiZulu? Or but you understand English? I not even that you understand English. You know English better than Sotho. Ngibona ngathi ignorance nokunga understand. Angithi abanye abantu we are complaining about colonizers. Colonizers this, colonizers that. What did they did to us? Yonke lonto lo, but at the end of the day, we are appreciating their languages.
Yazi khona ividiyo engiyibonile of this girl. I think, I don't know, but she's here in Africa. I'm not sure where exactly. So she's always making videos in front of this hut. So there'll be people asking silly questions, in fact, stupid questions, like, where do you charge your phone? Yabo. So she would answer like very, very funny, in a very funny way. So they asked her, what, Martin? The question was, how do you know English? Where did you learn English? And this girl comes in and says, man, we learned the English from the colonizers. The colonizers taught us the English, and then they left. They took everything and they forgot their English.
And English was left with us.
Yeah, they forgot the English. They took everything with them. They forgot the English behind. So, iyayibona nje leyo nto leyo ukuthi ke the colonizers have left, but they are still stuck with the English.
It's like bebedayiselwa.
And then you guys are left behind fighting for this English. You could say, you don't speak good English. I mean, I speak good English. I mean, what the hell? Is there anything else we can fight for?
Are no longer there. Who are you trying to impress with English? Jeez.
Oh, guys, no, come on. Mina nje into engifisayo ukuthi si-embrace ama-languages ethu. If I come to you and when you are a Sotho person, I come to you with my isiZulu. Ngikhuluma isiZulu sami mina nawe. Answer me with isiSotho sakho. Ngi-answerishe ngesisuthu sakho muntu wami wase-Africa or wase-South Africa. Ngi-answerishe ngesisuthu sakho. Uma ukhuluma isiVenda, ngi-answerishe ngesivenda sakho. So that mina ngizofuna ukwazi ukuthi uthini ke mawusuthi ungichazele. Usungangichazela nge-English ukuthi no, leli lithi ngithi okay. Ukuze nami ngizokwazi ukufunda ilanguage yakho. Nawe futhi ufunde isiZulu sami. Ngoba le English hayi nisimene kancane babheke sengisi bandla.
Is not make sure.
Yabo nje ingiphatha kana lento yokuthi when you go to ama-interviews you have to speak English. If you don't speak good English, usuyayifeli i-interview just because wena you came in and you are umZulu and you couldn't speak good English, and then when you won't be hired because of that. Ngiyabona-ke lezi ndawo zama-call center, uthola ukuthi ama-international call centers kuya-understandeka-ke lapho because you will be speaking to people abakhuluma English. Base nje kuneminye imisebenzi nje ungenasidingo. Ayikho into engichaza njengokuthi you walk into an interview kuthiwe speak your language. Yo, uvesa nuzizwe ukuthi ngisekhaya-ke la.
Uthi hello,
ngisekhaya la.
Nithini manje?
Isingisi mfethu usikhipha ngisho kulayini ujantshi kanti uJust uqondile nje uthenge interview yakho. Isingisi sikulahlelele ufail interview just because
manzi.
ngesingisi nje. I know uTwitter mayefuna ukusibhena konje sakusewona uTwitter seku-X. Hayi mayefuna ukusibhena basibhena.
Kodwa sikhohlwa. Singakhohlwa ukuthi phela u-X unoba. Elon Musk.
Lo mfo ongafuni ukuthiwa la eSouth Africa.
That guy ongasifuni ukusibona. that guy owathi lana senze enye into lengakhulumeki
hayi
kulaba bakama
loyana walahla ubaba wakhe
Mdletsane.
loyana wase-South Africa manje usesizonda sonke
Hayi,
wenza
nobaba wakhe same WhatsApp group. Nobaba wakhe nje ama-comments awenzayo. Khona interview nje asanda yenza le phesheya. Ayikhuluma nje, wakhuluma nje washiya ngalazi ngebala limnyama la-South Africa.
Mm.
So, yinto nje le eyabo. You understand? So ke manje bahamba bayodayisa lento ke. Le ndaba ebala yona into engeke siyenze lutho.
hayi ngesenze lutho
Ihlali lapho. But i-problem enkulu ke is this thing of thina ke sisodwa ke as Africans demanding ukuthi sikhulume ilanguage yaphesheya. So inkinga ke who are we trying to impress? Sizama ukuimpress abani?
enye into futhi-ke bayakhohlwa ukuthi siyahleba-ke manje
Yes.
sesikhuluma isiZulu bayakhohlwa ukuthi kahle kahle wonke lama-social media lawa ngaphandle kwethu ma-South Africans awayilutho
Yes!
siyawaboosta fana
Yay!
ama-social media thina
Bayilutho. Hey.
ingakho nama-content creators aphesheya asehleze ekhuluma South Africa South Africa this South Africa that South Africa this bayazi ukuthi bazothola i-fellowship eningi ne-viewership eningi
Lalela-ke. Awuthi ngibatshele.
hayi South Africa Ramaphosa they know ukuthi they will get so much attention from South Africans they will be boosted by us so nje if X decide to ban South Africa shame they will lose their content creators they will lose money if they get money from the thing I don't know if they do or if they don't but they will lose but I know they get more sponsors from them so they will lose a lot because there will be no attention on them thola ukuthi nya
Yo, how many influencers have already relocated to South Africa?
siyabhubha kuyimanje liyabhubha hayi
Especially from the US. Hey, ubona hey angazi mina lento. Now this thing is starting to even our fellow African brothers are now starting to base their content South Africans. Uyabona manje ukuthi once you touch a South African topic, the views goes like boom.
So ke ungitshele ukuthi mabethi ba decide ukubhena South Africa they will lose more than us thina nje sisithandela indaba ke thina
No, it's just
asinandaba
hate.
vele thina we are
It's
not
hate.
getting any money from this social
Asitholi
media
lutho Nkosi yami.
so nje they will lose
Basiphuca njalo iqatha even nakhona ku YouTube basiphuca njalo iqatha.
nakhona la ucushwa ngento eyodwa usuphuciwe
Sekuvalile.
ucushwe ngento eyodwa usuphuciwe
Sibhizi ko TikTok. Sine fellowship enkulu engaka. We get nothing on TikTok. But when you thatha leyo nto uyisa eMelika you see that people are
making
swimming
money lapha
swimming kwimali.
so nje asinandaba noma bangasixosha ka-X
No.
bazobuya
We don't care. Even if X fires us or even it bans us, that does not make a difference. It's X that will suffer. And then I know that China will come with something else.
in fact because thina as South Africans we are so spiteful hey you cannot be spiteful like South Africans yabo nje base basho into abayishilo ngo-tweet asingani uma nesuyeke thina
Hayibo!
sibusane siyiphumele
Besibhene kube izinto nje
bangasibheni-ke sibusane siphume-ke nje kube inya baxake ukuthi where's the traffic kube nya ingabe sebakhona traffic yaba-South Africans u-X uthole ukuthi sithi hayi ngithena sibhena nini thina we are very spiteful as South Africans ngeke basimele
asidlali la.
ngeke basimele so ngeke ngiphumela thina
asidlali la.
deactivate sonke ama-account ethu kuthuleka ukuthi nya
Hayibo.
baxeke nabo ukuthi kwenzakaleni sibakhombiseke thina ngethani sisabise thina ngokusibhena hayi abahambe osabisa abanye
Hayibo thina kade sabhenwa kudala nje.
Awu.
Sibhenwa ke la ezweni lethu ke sibhenwa yileli bali limhlophe. Singakwazi ukuya ngisho emadrobheni singakwazi ukuya kuphi. Ubhena nje esingayiqala nje. Bese sethi ke sothanda ilanguage yabo ke. We cannot like English because we've been colonized before and then base oppressor. They oppressed us too much with this English and
colonize
Afrikaans.
nakuma social media ke manje
Please stop lento
Sekukhona nama-social media.
yokulwa nathi when you speak our vernacular. We are actually doing it by force. Ngoba manje we want the young ones to grow
In
knowing
fact,
their native
into
languages.
sekumele siyenze-ke manje sekumele sithole bona laba abacomplainayo simane siwakhuluma isiZulu uma lokuza nabo sikhuluma isiZulu sibahleke ngesiZulu
Vele siyeke
Uyolo-ke.
wasilungu leso manje.
anedenza ividiyo fanele sithole uthoba laba abacomplainayo
Yeah.
anedenza ividiyo sihambe sokhomenta isiZulu sonke sife insini
Bese sihleka kanje, bese kanje.
ngalowo mzuzu ayikho lento esile esizoyikhuluma bese sibhala ukuthi izicathulo bese uyahleka udaka
Ngazo.
ubhala ukuthi idlu bese ufika uyahleka bazoxakeka ukuthi kuhlekwani
Hayi bo.
shaya isiZulu mageba nje wethu omunye afika ashaya isisuthu sakhe
Ubhalwe idilosi. Ngazo.
ngazu laba abacomplainayo kakhulu baxakeke nabo
Hey,
ngoba basijwayela ngempela
Hayi no. Asibambe lapho ke. Sazozwa nina nithini bafowethu anikhulumeni ke. What are your views regarding this topic? Esesikhulume ngayo kangaka. Thina njengabase South Africa sithi nje cha lime zethu. Mabe sibhena basibhena.
abasibhene
Hayi asihlehli. Hari chechele morao re apile.
thina we are just there to have fun
Mhm.
if they ban us we've got nothing to
Hayi,
lose
Hari chechi.
asinandaba nje
Re ripili yapile. Finish and clar. Mam asivale manje. Siyashibilika. Shibirishi. Sicela wena ungasubscribe kweziqiniso usubscribe to our channel Isiqandulo u-like ipage lethu. Maningi nje ama-videos owabona nje interesting videos. Sibonge kulabo abasebesilekelelile ukuthi size sifike la sifike khona. Danke siyabonga. Salute. Siyashibilika. Shibirishi. Danko.